Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by stopping the app to clear transient faults. Go to Settings, Apps, select Game Space and force Stop. This kills hung processes. Once done, clear the cache only so you keep profiles and settings intact. Clearing data is a last resort. Now restart your device to flush system memory and background services. After the reboot, open Game Space to check if the crash repeats. If it still stops, proceed to the next deeper steps to isolate app versus system causes. You need to determine whether Game Space or another app is responsible. Check permissions and background activity so the system doesn't block required services. Next, update Game Space and the OS. If the issue began after an update, roll back or install the previous stable version. Once updated, boot into safe mode to disable third-party apps. If Game Space runs normally there, an installed app is the culprit. Make sure to note error timing and recently installed apps so you can remove the offender. If earlier steps fail, you must either clear app data or uninstall and reinstall Game Space to restore defaults and replace corrupted files. Once reinstalled, reapply your settings and test performance. If crashes persist across fresh installs and safe mode, back up your important data and perform a factory reset to eliminate deep system corruption. Finally, keep a log of errors, timestamps, and safe mode results. This single troubleshooting tip helps developers or support recreate and fix the issue faster when you report it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.